Hey y'all, Wacky Weatherman. Happy Thursday to y'all, boy. So got a little bit of wind happening. It's about a couple minutes after 10 in the morning, that is. Might have some maybe a chance of thunderstorm today. And I know Jumpin' James said yesterday that he didn't get anything. It was around him, but we'll go look around. So this is the 19th of May 2022. Of course it is. And here's what it looks like right now outside the Wacky Weather window. Nothing yet. You see? Yeah, you can see some clouds, like a thin veneer of clouds or whatever. I'm on the Note 10 Plus. So yeah, it's not doing anything right now. Humid, pretty good. But we're going to keep this development, and we'll just see what happens. Hey, just like it happened the other day, we got a nice little windstorm spin-up thing, and we'll come back and keep an eye, monitor this thing, which is what we're going to do. We're going to monitor the situation. They're mowing down there. Oh, there's Mr. Sun right there. See him? So, radar's not really showing anything. About late this afternoon into the early evening, so probably about between 4 or 5 o'clock, somewhere in there, we might see something. I don't know what it said, southeast Missouri and southern Illinois. So I don't know. I mean, this will be, I'm not going to expect very much of anything. Maybe if I don't expect anything, maybe we'll get a big old storm. That'd be awesome. There comes Mr. Sun out. Yep. I don't know if y'all could. Yep, there he is right there. Y'all can see him. He's coming out. He's looking ever so beautiful. So yeah, you can see him down there mowing, I think. Y'all see him down there? But anyway, so you guys just be groovy. This is May 19th, 2022. And I'll be seeing y'all here in the next, probably around the 12 o'clock hour. We'll go and we'll check out the news, the weather, and we'll see what it looks like. So yep, there he goes. So yeah, nothing right now. All right, y'all. We'll go back up and I'll turn this back on here a couple hours. See you about the 12 o'clock hour, and we'll just see what happens. So, Wacky Weatherman. Your Wacky Weatherman, and I'll catch y'all here in a little bit. All right, so welcome to another day of a storm watch. We'll just see what happens.
Clouds for most of the local
hey y'all, Wacky Weatherman. All right, let's check this out.
Later on this afternoon and this evening,
let's check it out.
Showers and thunderstorms are expected. Right now, a few of us in southern Illinois seeing some light to moderate rain, even some lightning. You can see just north of the Carmi area, quite a cell moving through southern Illinois, a little bit into southwestern Indiana. But look off to our west also. Those in St. Louis, seeing some very strong showers and thunderstorms as well. In fact, there was just a moment ago. There is still actually a severe thunderstorm warning in place for those in St. Louis. Right now, here in the local 6 area, we are not tracking any active watches or warnings. But again, things could change later on this afternoon and this evening as strong.
So this is what we're keeping a development
on. So in fact, the Storm Prediction Center has upgraded some of us to level 3 enhanced risk.
Ooh.
In Illinois, a little bit into Kentucky, and a little bit into southeastern Missouri. Don't get too fixated on the polygon. Most of the northern portion of the area has the chance for some strong severe weather. So our biggest threats, we're talking gusty winds over 30 miles an hour.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Large hail certainly possible, and in fact, some
this is gonna be awesome.
Could cause some major flooding in parts of the area.
Oh, and there's Wacky Weather Girl.
Tornado chance, very slim. However, it is non-zero.
She's feeling
Still
better
a chance
today.
For some very active weather for this afternoon and this evening for part of the area. The further south you go, the more likely you'll not see these strong showers and thunderstorms. We're really focusing on those in southern Illinois throughout the afternoon, evening, and also into those nighttime hours. Notice the system moves out pretty quick.
I kind of scratched my thumb, my finger last night. I was in there digging around in that tote.
Tomorrow, already in the
there you go, y'all. Look at that. I was digging around. I was trying to find the thing for my
tomorrow
sustainer
afternoon.
compressor.
Mostly clear skies stick around for your Friday night plans, and eventually clouds will slowly start to increase throughout those nighttime hours, waking up on your Saturday morning to a mixture of sunshine and clouds, still in the mid-70s right around 9 a.m. and warming up once again to the low 80s for your Saturday afternoon, and we're going to be warming up once again.
So we'll just see what happens here today.
Low 90s for your Saturday, but things change going on into Sunday, cooling down by about 20 degrees. So first, let's get through today. I mentioned one of our biggest threats, gusty winds. We could see wind gusts around 20, 25, even 30 miles an hour throughout those nighttime hours and slightly into tomorrow morning. So bring in any loose outdoor objects you have just to be on the safe side, or also find ways to tie them down. Along with the gusty winds, heavy rain is certainly possible. We could see quite a bit of flooding within the next 5 days, really, in parts of Illinois and Missouri. See 2.5, close to 3 inches of precipitation for the next several days. So remember the saying, turn around, don't drown. Today, on and off scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the afternoon.
It's getting pretty cloudy out there. Might want to walk here in a little bit in case if it comes.
91 is our forecasted high for tomorrow. Still plenty of sunshine. Still seeing some gusty winds though, coming out of the south-southwest around 30 miles an hour at times. The winds calm down just slightly for your Saturday, and temperatures still fairly warm and humid. We'll be in the upper 80s, low 90s once again. There's that 20-degree temperature difference between Saturday and Sunday. Sunday afternoon will be below average in the low 70s, mid-70s for your Monday. But looking ahead towards Tuesday and Wednesday, another chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. And we'll be in the upper 70s. Saturday and Sunday. Sunday afternoon.
Okay. 89 Thursday, cloudy. 91 breezy as on Friday. Thunderstorms 40% on Saturday. 80% chance of showers on Sunday. Partly cloudy on Monday. And then thunderstorms and 80%, it's 80 degrees with 60% chance of thunderstorms on Tuesday and Wednesday. But it's 80 and 78, and then the low 74, 66, 55, 58, and 65.
Yep, that's not bad.
Below average in the low 70s, mid-70s for your Monday. But looking ahead towards Tuesday and Wednesday, another chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. And we'll be in the upper 70s, low to mid-80s.
Here we go with part one of today's.
All right, y'all. We'll turn it back on here in a bit, and we'll go out and see y'all outside. Wacky Weatherman. All right, y'all. Wacky Weatherman. It's not doing anything yet. All right, so about like it was earlier. So, not really anything to show you. So, anyhow, let's give him about an hour, and we'll see what happens. All right, so y'all be groovy. Wacky Weatherman here, and I'll see y'all here in about an hour. So, just not doing anything. And this, we won't need to wait for something to happen. So, anyway, that's it. So, yep, that's it. So, May 19th, 2022, Wacky Weatherman, and we'll turn it back on here in a little bit. So, give us about an hour. We'll just see what happens, because it's boring right now, y'all. It's warm though, so hold on tight. Who knows? This may be something. Maybe. Hey, y'all, Wacky Weatherman. Hold on, let me zoom out. It is actually after 4, but it's not really been doing anything. Just the wind's picking up a little bit, but it's not doing anything. Still calm as a cucumber. Yeah, like I said, but you got some clouds. It's not been doing anything. So it's gonna be short. Like I said, let me move my chair. Okay. But no, there's nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing that hints of a storm happening. Like I said, y'all, I don't know, but we'll come back out. Oh God. Oh good Lord. And the wind is picking up just a little bit. So, well, who knows? Well, we actually might just have something coming in here then. 'Cause that wind's picking up a little bit. Y'all can hear. Let's go over here in our place. Ooh, there's a little drizzle. There's a little bit of rain I felt, a little drop. I don't know. Well, heck, folks, it looks like it might start raining. I guess when we come out here, I guess it's just gonna amp up, I guess. Oh hell, it's gonna start raining. Wow, not a dang. Not a dang. Sure is. So when I come out, I'm automatically, it must have just been waiting for us, huh? Must have just been waiting for me, waiting for us to come out here. Now I felt a couple drops of rain. Sure did, baby. Let's see what it looks like back in there. Yeah, that's oh, the wind's picking up. Actually, wind's actually picking up pretty good. I'm gonna get over here. Yep, ah, but dang, sure is. I felt it had a couple drops of little rain there. There comes Mr. Sun going to be coming out. Come on out, Mr. Sun. Yep, there he is. He's trying. It's mixed clouds. The sunshine and the rain. Yep, that is about it, y'all. But hey, man. Anyway, so Wacky Weatherman here. Yep, your old buddy Gerald. We'll just see what happens here, man. I'm not sure, but looks like the wind is going to be picking up again. So, no thunder yet. But anyway, y'all, Wacky Weatherman, we'll turn it back on. We'll give it about an hour. We'll check out the weather over here. But nope, nothing, man. If nothing at all, boy. So anyway, that's all that. But you all be groovy, Wacky Weatherman, and we'll turn it back on here in a little bit, about an hour. We'll check out the weather, won't we, Wacky Weather Girl?
Yep.
Alrighty, folks. It's been a little bit, but Wacky Weatherman here. We have a tornado watch until 7 o'clock. So, y'all can see conditions are favorable for tornado watch. So, just want to let y'all see this real quick, and we'll turn this back on here in a little bit. So, y'all just keep them between the 10 ring, and that's it. All right, so I'll turn it back on here in a little bit.
This is called an MCV,
There we go.
Convective
Here we are, y'all.
vortex. And you're going to see exactly why it's called that, because sometimes people refer to it as a land hurricane, at least in terms of how it resembles the rotating motion. You very clearly see that they're spinning up towards St. Louis. And this generally happens in the heat of the summer or the warm season, May, June, July, August, and they normally produce a lot of wind damage. And you see the history of this thing swirling all the way through southeast Missouri this afternoon. Tornado warning now for St. Louis, severe thunderstorm warnings coming off of that. And I do expect there to be a pretty decent severe thunderstorm wind threat as this warning here gets expanded into possibly Perry County here, the Carbondale area, West Frankfort, Jefferson County, Illinois. But you can kind of see the motion of this might actually miss Carbondale to the north. We'll keep an eye on that, though, in the next few minutes. You see severe thunderstorm warning there includes a tornado possible with wind speed 60 to 70 miles an hour as of the moment. Now, if you caught our Facebook Live earlier, I mentioned that something that can happen with this type of meteorological phenomena is you get the southern tail of it, you get a supercell, it just splits off of it. That's what happened We had a tornado warning for a while out by the Current River. If you were to go out there in the summer, north of Van Buren by Ellington, that's that little cell right here you see is detached from the line, which is really what prompted the Weather Service. I'm assuming most of you, if you're watching this, got that tornado watch on your phone. Maybe you saw it on our social media. But notice that cell has fizzled out. It's actually getting an ingestion of dry air from the south. So right now, it does not look all that impressive, but we'll keep an eye on it for the next several hours. In this corridor I dashed in red, which does include Metropolis, Paducah, Ballard County, Cairo, Sykeston, should this cell re-strengthen, the atmosphere ahead of it is extremely unstable. It could produce large hail. It may be a tornado. But as of right now, it's really struggling to maintain itself. So we're just going to have to keep a close tab on it.
Just keep an eye on it. We'll just see what happens here. It's 5 o'clock now, so.
Large, the core of the severe weather is going to miss us to the north. So to put it clearly to you and to calm your nerves, if the tornado watch kind of caught you off guard, I think it was issued out of a huge abundance of caution. I really don't think we're going to get really anything from this, at least in Kentucky and Tennessee. It's really just going to be this one cell we watched there on the southern part of the line. There you see the infrared satellite, huge explosion of thunderstorm clouds. If you look off to the northwest horizon, you'll see that. Again, there is that tornado watch that does go through 11, but it's really going to be along and north of Route 13 where the highest chance of damaging winds in a tornado exists. But again, we'll keep an eye on that cell as it tracks to the east, which is really why that watch was issued. Here you see it on the computer model, which the computer model doesn't really pick up on that cell. There goes the main complex north of Carbondale with some damaging winds and maybe a tornado along and north of Route 13. By 9 o'clock, that's done, and that'll be pretty much it for this evening. So we'll keep an eye on that cell for those of you who live in West Kentucky. After tonight, tomorrow is hot, breezy, and humid. Winds up to 30 miles an hour tomorrow, 93. Heat index in the upper 90s. Saturday, we'll go through this more in the news at 10 once we get these storms out of here. As I know a lot of you have plans you want to know about the timing Saturday. There will be strong storms probably after sunset Saturday evening. Dry for the most part during the day, hot. Cooler on Sunday with showers and storms hanging tough through the morning and midday. Partly cloudy on Monday, 74, then a good chance of more storms in the middle part of next week.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all outside here in a little bit. Alrighty, folks. It looks like it's starting to get a little cloudy. God, let me see. God, I love that. I love that ultra wide lens, man. It's incredible. Let me wipe that lens off. Oop, I think I felt this little sprinkle. If not doing anything right now. So, yeah, we still do. We have like about a tornado watch until 7 o'clock, so it's going to be about going on almost. Oop, I felt a drop of rain. So maybe we'll get a. See, look at here, y'all. I can zoom all the way in with this phone. I can zoom in as far as you want. That's incredible, right? Yep, that's incredible. So my man Jumpin' James says, man, Jersey said, man, that 10 Plus really is a nice camera. Oh yeah, oh, it's a great camera. But that 13 is too. Actually, it's more vivid. You can see much better colors and stuff with that. But yeah, man, it's all groovy, boy, man. Groovy. So we don't see anything yet, but I will turn this back on here in a little bit. Nothing right now, y'all. So, hey, it is what it is. Oh, I felt another little drop. So, we're gonna have a cheeseburger casserole with bell peppers and onions in it. Oh, James, my man, it's so good. So yeah, we're gonna have a cheeseburger casserole. It's real good, man. So, yep, nothing else, nothing right now. So we'll turn it back on here in a little bit, y'all. Shoot. Darn. The allergies, boys, really. All right, y'all. Y'all be groovy, wacky weatherman. We'll turn it on back here in a little bit, and we'll just see what happens. So, whew. Yep, cheeseburger casserole. All right, that's it. So I'll see y'all here later. Herpy trails, man, and hasta la pasta, and groovy. All right, y'all. May 19th, 2022, man. All right, then. Hey, y'all, wacky weatherman. It's about almost 8 o'clock. Ooh, look at that back in there, y'all. Look at that. That's check it out. Let's go down there. Yeah, let's go down there. Take a look at that. That's actually, hey, that's a really nice sunset. Looks like. I'll be dang. Heck, sure is. Here y'all go. Check that out. Brighten it up a little bit. That's pretty. Well, folks, looks like it's going to. It's not going to be. Looks like it's not going to be doing anything right now. But, well, I guess if you look back in there and then you look over here. So, like, if you look over here, and, well, I guess, because it's kind of hard to see, but if you see back in there, that's, well, it looks like it. It actually looks kind of weird. It actually looks pretty, and there's kind of like a little sunset thing back in there, but it's still very cloudy. So, so yeah, as of right now, but look at that, boy! Did I tell you, that's amping up. Check that out. Look at that. Check that out, folks. Look at that. Man, I wish I could. Let me figure out how I did this again. Whoa. There we go. Look at that. There we go. That'll work. Then it goes up and it gets darker that way. Man, that's actually looking pretty groovy, y'all. I think I might have to go into pro video mode, I believe. Like for exposure. Come on, get down. There you go. Go down. There you go. Look at that. That is pretty nice, y'all. But anyway, we'll turn this back on here in a little bit. I just want to let y'all see this real quick. So it's not done anything. It's just been boring. We hadn't had any storms or anything. Like I said, I kind of thought earlier this morning, kind of didn't think we'd have anything. But I tell you what, though, that'd make a heck of a good picture right now for me to be sitting out here, wouldn't it? Anyway, all right, y'all, wacky weatherman. We'll go back up. It's boring, not doing anything. Stupid. Oh well. That stupid thing cut me off. I accidentally ran into the thing. Oh, anyway, y'all, wacky weatherman. We'll try it again here in a little while. We'll turn it back on in about an hour. We'll just see what happens, y'all. Waggy weatherman. Waggy? Yep, I'm waggy, all right. All right, y'all. Turn it back on here shortly.